busted up doorbell from God only knows how many years ago. This is supposed to be the little clapper that moves back and forth. And these are the two chimes that are supposed to go, where are we? Anyway, they don't chime no more. They kind of rotted out of place. So, solution, take the little clapper, get rid of it. Yes, you can tell I've been doing too much fish tank stuff. Put in a little block of plastic, which is a splitter for airline tubing. Insert those in the brace. Brace them rather where the clapper used to be, and insert an electronic radio-controlled doorbell that rings. I don't know if you can hear that from the other room, but close this part over the other. So that when the button is pushed outside, that electronic doorbell is activated. So here's the mechanism installed on the door. Here's the little plate that will get pushed inward by the button, which will push up against that piece of plastic, which is held in place by the 3 pieces of airline tubing, which is down. Hey, the doorbell just rang. Covered with a cover plate. So now we have some 19th to fairly early 20th century technology driving a bit of 21st. There's the doorbell hiding under all my coats, which I didn't even bother to take off. Works fine, lasts a long time. Ciao.